Alright, so we're going to put a bike box on the bike and you go to the airport, say it's taxi, you burn fat versus oil, save money. So I've got a bike box here, get these mini bike shop in. This is the bike box that I've used since forever, Bali maybe. This bike box has done a few Ks. And we've got some sticky tape in here, we've got tubes, some old tubes. We just tie the end of the tube. It's an old tube that was busted up. And so what you do is you flatten your box out. Be careful with the staples. And, roll it out. And boom. Just like that. Then we're gonna, it's like I'm on a crocodile up in far north Queensland, and just gonna wrap her up. Boom. There we go. Just like that. Look from the back. And then boom, just like that. Is this tube busted or is it alright?
Should be busted.
We got lines. Just like that. Stretch him out. The tubes are great to use there, so they don't scratch anything, they're safe, they're recycled, they're really good. Boom, that's pretty much it. You know, you put another one on there, but it just shows you how quick and easy it is. Taxi, $50 the airport, buy a bike box there, it's $20, you know, we're faffing around, so we're going to save about $70 just doing that. Cash money.